for a fun way to get you everywhere you need to go in comfort, style, and safety? You found it with the eWheels EW-14 electric mobility scooter. With an aggressive design enhanced for both driving performance and riding comfort, the EW-14 is the perfect blueprint of versatility and recreation all in one. And with a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, this recreational scooter is always ready to ride. From the deep 23-inch seat that can hold up to 350 pounds, to the 15-inch tires and front and rear suspension that can tackle hills with ease, everything about this scooter is designed to get you where you want to go in style. The ultra-bright lighting package and easy-to-read console makes it a breeze to enjoy your scooter day or night, while the provided key fob controls the alarm system and activates the remote start. eWheels has made it easy to ride the EW-14. With just a simple twist of the throttle, you are off and running, as front and rear drum brakes allow you to easily stop your scooter. Dual rear-view mirrors enhance the 360-degree visibility, while the 6.5 inches of ground clearance protect you from the unexpected. Other standout features include a 500-watt transaxle motor, turn signals, underseat storage, and more. eWheels has included everything with the EW-14, like the rear storage bin, a bag hook, the security of a parking brake, and a 48-volt smart charger. The eWheels EW-14 makes getting there fun, safe, and efficient. And don't worry about assembly. The EW-14 scooter is shipped from our 150,000-square-foot warehouse, where a skilled team ensures your scooter is assembled, quality control inspected, packaged, and delivered ready to ride when it arrives at your house fully assembled. We even charge the battery for you. When you're looking for a fun, safe, and speedy way to get you where you want to go in comfort and style, backed by our 3-year limited warranty, look no further than eWheels.